Hello, I'm here to go over the Project 3 for XLR or Xflr5. I started off just with the Clark Y airfoil. I just found the points for it online and uploaded it here. Um, After that, I just go to the direct analysis for the foil individually. I kind of just followed the tutorial and I did the direct foil analysis, and then I also did the batch analysis from 900,000 to 1.1 million with an increment of 10,000 because it's what allowed the next part of the project to work. It wasn't really working before I did that, so exiting out of that. So after that, we have the wing and the plane design. And basically, after I had my foil working, I was able to actually create the wing. So I'm just looking a little weird right here, but let me see if I can go to the edit screen. So edit. This is where I designed the wing. We don't have any fins or elevators, not a biplane. We don't need the body, so I just have the main wing. Again, I just kind of followed the tutorial where kind of wouldn't need to find it. No offset, no dihedral angle or twist or anything. To get my aspect ratios, I just kept my chord length at 0.2 meters, and I changed my like Y length accordingly. So as you can see, like for 1.2 meters, I have an aspect ratio of 12, and then it was kind of the same deal where when I had 0.8 meters, I had an aspect ratio of 8. When I had 0.4 meters, I had an aspect ratio of 4. So that's how I got my aspect ratios working. Let's get rid of that. And then after that, all that was left was to analyze each of the wings and get the information I needed. So as you can see here, I have my CL versus CD, I have my CL versus alpha, I have my my CL over CD versus alpha. And like he explained, I just go to current graph, I'd export the graph, and then I'd save it and upload it into Excel, which I'll show here. This is my 3 wings and then my foil. So I have it for CL versus alpha, I have it for CL over CD versus alpha, and I have it for CL versus CD. So that's how I completed all of that stuff. Let's see what else. What's next? So that was it for like the graphs. For the lift curve slope, I did kind of what he said, where I created a new graph. Where is that? So I have the graph, and then select data. If we're doing, I don't know, AR12. I just did it from -5 to 5, and then the according Y values to that. Okay, you just click on the trend line, put it on. Okay, where is it? Oh, yeah, sorry. Then you go to more options. Bam, select the equation. Here we have 0.0915. That's what I have for my slope over here with 12, 8, 4, and then the foil, all respectively. So I just did the same thing for each one. That's how I got that stuff. And then, oh crap. As you can see, for the other things, this is where I got my max lift coefficients as well. I just gathered them from this data. The induced drag coefficient, I use the equation for it, which I have on my my actual Word document. Same thing for the induced alpha and the downwash velocity. Uh, for my ease, I found it through Xflr5 because when you go here, this other way, go here, you can see I have it at 7 degrees where it's supposed to be, and it'll give me my efficiency there. So I just did that for my wings. And then speaking of this, this is also where I got my induced angle versus span graph, and also where I got my, I'll change it real quick, where I got my induced drag coefficient versus span graph, as you can see here. And this is my induced alpha spreadsheet that I got from all my wings. And then this is the induced drag coefficient spreadsheet I also got from all my wings. And then just quick overview of the Word document. I mean, it's the same thing. It's just where I put all my graphs. Here I have my tables, and here are the equations that I was talking about earlier. Yeah, I kind of explained in the Word document how I changed the span but kept the chord length the same, kind of how I did earlier. Let's see. That looks about it. Oh yeah, also I for the planes, as you can kind of see, I made sure the taper ratio stayed at 1. You can see it right here that it is at 1. So it is a rectangular wing. But yeah, should be about it.